Now let us try to understand some basic real world implication of these logical operations. So instead of just using this false or true directly inside this variable, you can easily hold some kind of comparison result which actually results in true or false, something like that. For example, instead of just like false, in this where there can be some kind of comparison, let's say 5 greater than 23 or something like that. And then instead of just holding true, here there can be inside var2 there can be some kind of expression like, let's say 23 is less than equals uh, 26. So as you can see, I can just, instead of writing false and true directly, I can easily write down some kind of comparison in here. And whenever I have done it, now you can easily understand why did I say that and operation or operation, like these logical operators, combine two different types of comparison. Now if I just uncomment this line with and, like var and var2, it basically combines two different comparison. The first one is 5 greater than 23 and the second one is 23 less than or equals 26. So two different comparisons have been combined utilizing this AND operator. So now as you can see, 5 greater than 23, which is var, that will result in false. So the result will be something like this. So the first var is false and where 2 is 23 less than equals 26. Well, of course 23 is less than 26, so it will be true. Now from the truth table that we have discussed a couple of videos back, you can easily understand that false and true, when they are connected using AND operation, it will return false. So if you just run it, it is false. And the same way they can be combined utilizing this OR operation also. So that means it will be false or true, something like this. So if you just run it, as you can remember from our previous videos, like if they are combined, if two comparisons are combined using OR, if they return false only if both of them are false. But here where 2 is 23 less than equals 26, which is basically true. So here it is doing an OR operation between a false in var and true in var2. So false or true means they will return true basically. And well, let me just comment out this previous line so that you can just focus on this OR now. So here if I just run it, it will return true for this line. So that is somewhat real world implication of and or operator. Instead of using true and false directly, I have used some kind of real comparison and then combine them using and or and operation. So the same way you can do the check for the not operator also. So here it is checking like not var2. What does that mean? It is checking not uh, so let me just comment it out. So it is basically checking not 23 less than equals 26. All right. So not 23 less than equals 26 means what it is. What does that mean? It means not, then 23 less than equals 26 means it is true. So not true means it will return false. So not true means false. So if I just run it, as you can see, the result is false. So as you can understand, this var and var2, these variables, instead of holding only false and true, they can hold the result for any comparison, and you can utilize these results for many different programming operations that we will see later.